Okay, ready, Nathan?
Yeah.
Ready for the next color?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one. Ready? Now gently put it in. No, gently drop it in. There you go.
No.
Can you put it in the color?
No.
Yeah, go ahead. Very gently though. Go ahead, put it in the cup. Please. Please. Put the egg inside.
No.
It's okay, go ahead. Do you want Mommy help you?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, I'll hold it. Go ahead. Good job.
No.
Good job. Go ahead. Yes. Good job. It's okay. Come on. It's right here. I got it. Okay, want Mommy to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?